Attention UK property professionals. This is Code with Bitwizards, your go-to web development agency. And today we're handing you a once-in-a-lifetime game-changing opportunity. Picture this. Just last month, a London-based client paid us £1,500 for a custom 5-page home rental website, complete with stunning property galleries, seamless contact forms, booking integrations, SEO optimization, and even a live chat feature. But right now, you can grab the exact same premium site for just $99. Yes, you heard that right. Why such an unbelievable deal? Because at Code with Bitwizards, we're obsessed with empowering your success. Whether you're a real estate agent, landlord, property manager, or even a first-time investor, this $99 deal is your golden ticket to a polished professional website. Zero coding skills required. And here's the kicker. This isn't just a generic template. It's fully customizable, mobile-friendly, GDPR compliant, and ready to launch in 24 hours. Yes, one day. But wait, there's even more value. At Code with Bitwizards, we're not just a one-time service. We're your lifelong tech partners. Struggling with front-end design glitches, battling back-end errors that crash your site, need full-stack development, urgent bug fixes, or monthly maintenance to keep your site flawless, we handle it all. From WordPress updates to React.js overhauls, front-end, back-end, full-stack bugs to database crashes, we've got your back 24/7, 365 days a year. Let's break it down. For less than the cost of your daily coffee, you get a 5-page website plus round-the-clock support. Take our London client, for example. Their site now books rentals in seconds, generates leads on autopilot, and even syncs with their CRM. Imagine your business soaring to those heights. But here's the catch. This $99 flash deal is exclusive to UK viewers and expires in 48 hours. Here's why thousands trust Code with Bitwizards. 1, speed. Your site goes live in 1 day. We work while you sleep. 2, support. Message us anytime, whether it's fixing bugs, training your team, or advising on UX UI design. 3, scalability. Need to add e-commerce, AI chatbots, or a membership portal later? Done and done. Don't just take our word for it. Listen to James from Manchester. Code with Bitwizards transformed my clunky, outdated site into a lead-generating machine, and they did it for pennies. Now my bookings are up 200%. Time's literally ticking. Click the link below, secure your $99 website, and unlock free consultations for future projects, whether it's UX tweaks, security patches, full rebrands, or even teaching your team the basics of web development. Remember, a £1,500 value for $99 is a rare steal. It's like buying a Rolls Royce for the price of a bicycle. Miss this, and you'll kick yourself tomorrow. Act now. Contact Code with Bitwizards, and let's build your digital empire together. Whether you need a new site, a bug fixed, or just advice on keeping your platform secure, we're here for you. Your future starts today. Click now or risk losing this deal forever.